Hi, I'm Pat Wallaby and I want to show you the Raitool battery grinder. I bought this at Banggood's and it's for engraving or nail art, and I'm using it to shape Polymorph. Let's have a look at the content first. There is the grinder. A battery charger for the 18650. It has a US plug. And finally, 9 polishing heads. There is a foam inside, but a battery is not included. I have 2 batteries for testing, a protected one and the shorter unprotected one. First I try the longer protected one. The problem is I can't close the cap. So you can only use unprotected ones, but they don't need a button head. There is only a hole for the spindle lock. I will try the ceramic nail drill first. Oh, you can remove this cap. Let's have a look at the spindle hole. The spindle has a ball bearing, that's good. It's doing very well and the ceramic head isn't heating the polymorph too much. So you can still grind it, it's not melting. Let's have a look at the weight. Including battery, it's 200 gram. Now I will try the tungsten steel cutter. I'm pressing harder than I would ever do for shaping, but it's still working. Let's check the 3mm drill. Finally, I want to scale it without the battery. I hope this was useful for you. I can recommend this. It is strong, not too heavy, and very good quality. And if you are interested in videos about Polymorph, you should subscribe. See you next time.